Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinongelam ke AICC hapo kajingelam ke Media Coordinator ke Bobita Sharma, hakajingedan lang u AICC Media Coordinator Advocate Matthew Anthony, nongkmi banyak jong ke AICC, u Benny Banan, u balong ru MP ke Lok Sabha, u Jesu Dasu Silam Menteri Berim Katanat Pelatengka jong ke Sarkar India, ke Kong Joplin Scott Shylla Presiden Mahila Kongres, baru Sanjay Das, General Secretary ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, kilalat ban ai de Shiti Ujor ha uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor, Chief Electoral Officer jong ke Jinla, persya ye ke Kong Phidalia Toy, ke balong ke Chairperson jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women, halor ke Ïashim Bynta banyalap election ye ukertong ke Seng NPP na tu Jowai constituency uba Wailadmiki Shylla. Katkum ke Shiti Ujor, la Dawa ban Weng no ye ukertong ke Seng NPP uba Wailadmiki Shylla, Hadien bakakong Phidalia toy kalapan kenyi ki kindon an jang ka office da kabalik yalap election na kabenta uni ukertong. Shushu hagani kasgi na kaliang jang ka kinhon hapo ke AICC kala ujoru halor ka jing sata akidur jang menteri rang bado keri u Prime Minister Narendra Modi u menteri ketenat ki kampo ayeng keri India u Amit Shah badru presiden jang ka BJP u JP Nada habarok kawai ke Sor Shillong. Hagabaya day bat kajing le jong ka Chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka Kong Phidalia toy nakaliang u CEO ula shimkhia bat ongru ba an penlong ni kajing tokit badru an penshitam ni kibadon Bynta hagani ka kam.
Namanta I Chairperson jong ka Women's Commission ba idon Bynta hakajing file nomination jong iwe candidate jong ka party NPP ha West Giant Hills iba Wailadmiki Shylla niwan ujori kataki. Kami. Bakit di ba Weng no? Yaka post naka-post jong chairperson, but ayu like for him to be disqualified.
We want
yeah.
the candidate to be disqualified,
Yeah.
as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the Indian Member Citizen Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is a
Benny
clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson, it is the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That's our demand.
Yes. We have also brought a second factor into the notice of the Chief Electoral Officer. All over this Shillong city, the posters of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are displayed on the government buildings and on the government poles, electrical poles. So we requested them to take action to remove those posters immediately because it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
And what was the assurance from the CEO?
They said 100% they will verify and take
Investigate into the
action.
matter and they will take cognizance.
Yeah.
They have taken cognizance of the event and they will take
Look into
action
the
on that.
matter. Yeah.
Always we hope because the election commission will act according to the law and the election rules. We hope the election commission will take necessary action and immediate action against these violations.
That's right.
Thank you.
Both the cases.
Both the cases.
Both the cases.
Thank you for coming.
Kuma pigi press ru filaban don ki individual preferences. Ndai kum ka news organization te fina maintain ka neutrality. Te kum akuju ka por gini ki men or kini ki filaban don individual preferences at their own level. Te kata kare ka mo kare ka democracy kare ka mansongha. Te at individual level te filaban don ki preferences. Kum nga kro mentan what mo pigi press ru pi don individual preference. Ndai ka organization jong pi te ka long neutral ke tumta. Kini ki members jong ka INC Iwan Mentan naka national level banwan ikundo halor alaiti ki phang kawai kadai ka complaint hapa Jayanti Hills West Jayanti Hills ki ujor ba I don't know member jong ka Women's Commission snokti lang bat ka baru official candidate jong ka West Jayanti Hills district te ki ujor haka on the basis ba since it part of the Women's Commission the imday ba in idong tilang kin bat kanika rong ba in pinpaw ba idong tilang bat no official candidate te ngala interest ya to ka complaint jung ki siya additional CEO belong in charge of the Model Code of Conduct but ilalon dekat ni bat ngamane But naliang jong insa pan ka kaipot ka report now DC West Jainti Hills halor kani ka complaint te Mariel yok da ka kaipot insa long insa ya take further steps on this after we get the report from the DC West Jainti Hills. And try show cause notices to kin nang ya that in because kung jat case I mukaron ka process abang ihap yoru ya ka ya long ya ka jubab lagi ni ki bagi complain against tingin hab yo ya report jo DC jo DEO district election officer jo ko por ya hab yo ya ka jing bichai na yang jo iro ya te basha complain te kita ki di procedure bagi hap follow mata te halor kita ki procedure ki bagi la pendap ki procedure tingin sa in sepet in se bishar bnya kar unga rules ke so election commission berkhat ki ni abi ha kar unga rules kamde ke bagi la benda shimet mo keregi yang biar ke proses yang biar ke procedure
halor ka jing wa jadi ke poster sa iri kelap so fi kai tidak new
te halor ka jing wa jing posters of course kidon arjai kiwe gidi authorized kiwe unauthorized ki belong authorized kidi itu bara your permission but ki belong unauthorized kidi itu giba ibampat your permission tinggal akren you DC te minta na yang jong DC but na yang jong team jong kinang verify kino kidai kibla your permission lene ki belong authorized but kino kidai kita kibam but your permission ne ki belong unauthorized te Hadien me ba UDC ula yo kita report ba kino ki belong unauthorized te na yang jong ka district administration na yang jong district election machinery kin sa le ka berangkam but kin sa direction ya ki political party concern makin Weng no ya gitu ki belong unauthorized tenrei pihak long clear ba kidon ki belong authorized kidon ki belong authorized te ki belong authorized te kinang ne apply your permission ki bela don NOC ki bam re kidon kita ki kategori ki bar kita ki bam don NOC dan bam bampat yo kane ka permission the action will be taken against those that are unauthorized na pe report na pe jubab jong show cause if in case bagata ka report ka demand ka show cause te ngin hape long ka karon ka process ber ka procedure ka process ber ka procedure karon te ngin ya ka process ka procedure.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na ka Bynta ka 5-star Meghalaya. Hoy 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 hoy. Hoy kapag TMC si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang tulay. Hoy kapag TMC si Turkey sentil Meghalaya bang tingkay. Trilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala. Kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala. Trilum jungi mentala day kapor ka jingkala. Kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkala.